of our power system cost, and it contribute 20% to our overall grade. So our task is to propose upgrade to Kuala Lumpur electrical distribution system to support its growing demand due to tourism and infrastructure development. So today's meeting we have three goals, main three goals. First is understand the assessment requirement. Second is assign specific tasks and responsibility to each group member. And last one is plan a timeline for research, collaboration, and submission. So let's make sure we collect effectively and address any concern you may have. So everyone's contribute is vital to our success. Let's begin by reviewing the assessment details. So let me give you a quick overview of what expected. So we need to analyze Kuala Lumpur existing power distribution system. So identify inefficiencies and propose upgrade. Specifically, we must analyze the current substation and primary or secondary distribution line. And then select the most efficient system layout, radial, ring, or interconnected. So next is address voltage regulation challenge and ensure complete compliance with Malaysia safety and electrical standard. So our work will be assess on communication, leadership, and teamwork skill, critical thinking and problem solving, and lifelong learning and information management. So does everyone have a question about the overall goal and the assessment? So to make this project manageable, I have divided it into 4 main tasks, with each of us taking a responsibility for one. So for task 1, we have to analyze the current distribution system. So for the responsibilities, research the existing grid in Kuala Lumpur, including substation, primary or secondary line, out outage and voltage drop. So then for task 2, compare system layout. So for the responsibility, study radial, ring, and interconnected layout, evaluate the advantage and disadvantage, and recommend the most suitable one for Kuala Lumpur. So assign to Firdaus. Then for task 3, voltage regulation and compliance. So for the responsibility, research voltage regulation technique such as capacitor and load balancing, and ensure our solution complies with Malaysia safety standard. So Ashraf, last one task is task 4, report compilation and presentation. So for the responsibility, collect and organize everyone findings, write the final report and create the presentation slide. So assigned by me. And then this division of task work for everyone. Please share your thought if you have a suggestion or concern.
Thank you, team leaders, Danish. My name is Muhammad Ismail Hakim bin Abu Usman. For my part, I will focus on analyzing the current system. My approach will include number one is researching subsession to determine their capacity and limitation. And then number two is examining primary and secondary line for inefficiencies like bottleneck or for power deliveries. And then number three is gathering data on outages and voltage drop to identify critical problem areas. I will look for government report, industry case study, and data for source like Tenaga Nasional Berhad (TNB) if I encounter challenge finding data. I may need help from the group. Thank you.
Okay, I think this is a good plan. So let us know if you need help access report. You might also find data from the city council engineering journal.
Okay, so while working on layout, I keep an eye out for any mention of the current system that might support your research.
Okay, thank you. I will aim to complete my initial finding by tomorrow.
So I will talk about my part. My name is Muhammad Fidawi Abdul Rahman. So my focus will be contemporary radial, ring, and interconnected layout. And first, I will study how each system work and their pros and cons. Radial is cost effective but less reliable. Second, ring is more reliable but expensive. Interconnected is the most reliable but complex to manage. So analyze case study from cities like Singapore and Bangkok for insight. And use criteria like cost, reliability, and scalability to recommend the best layout. I may need input from the group on making cost assumption if exact data is available.
That's a good point, Fidaus. While researching voltage regulation, I will keep scalability in mind as in tie closely to the layout you choose.
Thanks. I share my finding and comparison table by next meeting.
Uh, Now I will present my part. Thank you, Fidaus, for your present. My name is Muhammad Ashraf. I will present task 3, voltage regulation and compliance. I will focus on voltage regulation and ensure compliance. My plan include these 3 points. First point is researching method to minimize voltage drop and improve stability, such as capacitor, transformer, and load balancing. Second is to review Malaysia safety and electrical standard to ensure our solution is compliant. And lastly is to highlight potential challenge like cost or environment impact and proposing way to address them. So I might need support in understanding some technical standard or access certain guideline. That's all.
Okay, great. So for standard, check Malaysian standard, which is MS or ISO document. So let me know if accessing them become a barrier.
I will share any complaints related detail I come across during my analysis.
Thanks. And I will submit a summary of my finding by tomorrow, maybe.
Okay. To ensure we stay on track, here's our proposal timeline. So for the task 1, 2, and 3, which is a research phase, please complete draft by tomorrow. And then for the task 4, which is report and presentation, uh, we need to have a compile draft and share the first version by 21 January. For the final review, please make edits and finalize by 22 January. So do this date work for everyone. So please let me know if you have other commitment that might affect the schedule. So does everyone have additional question or concern? Okay, if not,
No.
let's recap. So first, Ikmal, we analyze the current system. Then Firdaus, we compare the system. Ashraf will handle what is regulation and compliance. And then uh, I will compile the report and prepare the presentation. So our next meeting will be tomorrow. In the meantime, please update the chat or challenges in our group chat. Okay, I think that's all. Thank you for everyone for your time and input. So I'm very confident we will deliver a strong proposal with everyone's effort. So let's stay focused and support one other throughout the project. So see you at next meeting. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Okay.